Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I like to do in this video is to give you all some tips and tricks on how to write a restaurant business plan part 2. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. The first tip to writing your business plan for your restaurant is to make your title page presentable. You want it clean, you want it nice and succinct, you want it short and to the point, but you want to be able to convey your message for your business. So the way I structure my title pages or my cover pages, it'll put the company name right up top. Whatever your ABC restaurant, whatever your restaurant name is, just put it right up top. Just let them know, hey, this is the company name. And then you want your logo underneath. You do want some kind of picture. You want maybe a little bit of color, but you want to go ahead and reinforce your company name and reinforce what you are going to be doing with your organization. And then finally, at the bottom, it sounds simple, but you really just want to smack them in the face, say, look, here is the business plan. And you want to explicitly state this is the business plan and just let the reader know up front, that this is the title of the document and you don't want them to confuse it with any other document. All right, let's go ahead and move on to tip 2. Tip number 2 is about your executive summary. The way that I like to structure my executive summary is I like to tell the reader a real short story, let them know what your company is going to do and how you're going to do it, and you'll be able to convey that in your restaurant summary. And then let them know who your target market is going to be. Just tell them, hey, I know who my audience is that I'm going to be marketing and targeting, and just let them know upfront, who that audience is going to be. The third segment is going to be your financial highlights. Let the reader know how much money, how much revenues you're expecting for the first year, what you think your costs are going to be, and then definitely make sure to include your net profits at the end of the first year. And then finally, the final segment of your executive summary should tell the reader, hey, this is how much money I need to get this party started. Here's how much money I'm contributing as an equity investment. Here's how much of a loan I need. Here's how we're going to pay it back. So just make sure you wrap up your executive summary with how much money you need in order to attain your vision for your organization. And for your final tip is to make sure you have a SWOT analysis in your business plan. Your SWOT analysis is going to be your strength, your weaknesses, your opportunities, your threats. Let the reader know that you understand the internal and external aspects of your business, and also make sure to put it in a pictorial form. That way the reader is going to be able to just, quickly peruse it, and they're going to be able to get a gist of, where your organization is going to be standing from a competitive front. Also, when you're doing your SWOT analysis, a lot of organizations, a lot of people, what they do when they write the SWOT is they don't do it right. Make sure your strengths and your weaknesses are focused on your internal aspect of your organization, what you can control within your business. And then your opportunities and threats, make sure those are focused on external aspects of your organization or things you cannot control. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. Let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.